Welcome back, peeps. We've got another one. We're gonna crack open this tin. Let's see if we lose or win. These tins are $20 a piece at Target. There's your Flareon. We'll give this code away. And we've got packs. 4 packs. So I'm going to put this back in the tin with the lid so you can still see that doggy in the window, or whatever kind of creature Flareon is. I guess they consider it a cat. So we've got Sword and Shield, Battle Styles, Chilling Reign, and Evolving Skies. Let's see if we get any hits out of this. Starting with Evolving Skies with a green code card. So you know what that means. It means we ain't getting jack from this pack. Braviary, Switching Cups, Tentacruel, Emolga, Slackhoth, Gossifleur, Love Disc, Fletchling, and a Raihan, and we've got a Talonflame. Oh. Yep, Chilling Pain. We will get nothing out of Chilling Pain. Nothing. Okay, code card. It's white. So I might be a winner. Yeah, right. More than likely, it's just going to be 2 holographic rares. But let's hope for the best, huh? Flannery, Old Cemetery, Far-Fetched, Porygon, Heracross, Sobble, Inkay, and we've got the Lapras, as I said, and a Lycanroc. 2 holo rares. No, that's not even 2 holo rares. Lapras is not rare. So just this Lycanroc on a white code card. Whoa. Battle Styles. I know. Code card. Got Punch Your Lights Out Energy, Luxio, Indeedee, Swordward and Shieldbert, Horsey, Cherubi, Lickitung, Electabuzz, Esper, Indeedee, and Rapid Strike Style Mustard again. Oh man, this is one of my most popular pulls now. Let's see how the centering looks on this one. Pretty good, pretty good. Full art trainer action all day, baby. Let's go up there. Sword and Shield, last pack. Let's go. Value wise, I don't think tin was worth 20 bucks, but that is in the eye of the beholders. Got some fire. Got some Mantine. Clean that off. Okay. Quick ball. Metal saucer. Almost said scraper. Rookidee. Rhyhorn. My favorite Rhyhorn art. Chewtle. Cottony. Clobbopus. And we've got Goldeen. And Morpeko. And that was it, peeps. We've got our mustard. And we've got Morpeko. So, hey, if you like this video, comment down below and let me know what you think. I'm gonna run through these cards real quick, just make sure I didn't leave any rares in the pile. Yeah, if you want more free codes, let me know. Keep an eye on my giveaways, because I do them. I do's them. Nice and clean haircut. Been looking like a bum for a few weeks, but you know, my wife finally yelled at me, said, hey, get rid of this. At the time of this recording anyways. Got another code card there. Oh no, yeah, it's 10 and those. So guys, we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.